Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we're going to try to hide the peeling off parts on the steering wheel of this 2008 Infiniti EX35. Now, I was able to buy the covers or overlays from AliExpress. You can actually buy the sticker or overlay as a whole unit, or you can buy them like I did in separate parts. Now, let me take it off the plastic container first to show you. Okay, here's the main carbon fiber for the top, and there's 4 individual pieces for the bottom. So there's really no practice or correct way of putting this on. You can either put the main one first or the small ones or the other way around. So I'm just gonna try my best to figure out and align it properly. So peel off the sticker at the back or the sticker cover at the back. Okay, let's do our best. It's very sticky. Okay, I think I got that right, hopefully. X, no. Didn't. More out. I should have practiced. Okay, hopefully that's right. Oops. Okay, the top one looks awkward. I don't know if I should have pushed it down more. Let's move this. Okay, we'll take that as a win. Then we'll put the bottom part. Peel off again the backing of the sticker, which is a bit challenging for me. Weird. So peel off the backing sticker again. It's quite challenging for me. There you go. Now align it with your buttons. Okay, you know what? Let me practice this one first before I put it in. Just so I know what it looks like. Alright, cool. Alright, this side. Oops. So this has to go inward more. Gotta adjust so that this goes correctly on it, or next to it. There you go. Okay, practice. Okay, got it. Alright, that wasn't that hard. Peeling off the backing of the sticker was the harder part. Well, it does look better than looking at peeled off paint. It's really a matter of your preference. So that is how to install faux fiber sticker or overlay on the steering wheel of this 2008 Infiniti EX35. It honestly doesn't look that bad. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.